That's nice.
Alright guys, that was a little bit of fabrication to say the least. All the cutting, the welding, the grinding, the re-welding in some cases, fitting up the gas struts, getting it skinned on and riveted. This thing is articulating, that thing removes easily on its hardware. We do have one small final touch though, and that is something to latch this thing down. The last thing I want is a large draft or something coming underneath and ripping this thing open at full speed. That could be pretty darn disastrous, so I've got to put some sort of latching system on it. And so this is what I'm looking at. This is a 90-degree lift and turn latch that you see in industrial applications and should be just about perfect for what we're trying to do. The idea is pretty simple. The main mechanism right here has a little lift handle and a spring-loaded center body. As you articulate this, it draws in the threaded area down here, which then turns and pulls on this little latch. That means I can drill and mount it through the surface of the cover and use it to latch underneath the rail on the bed, securing it down. This thing's got a pretty good amount of draw force, so I'm not worried about it coming loose at all, and it latches pretty securely like that. This thing's not going anywhere unless you're intentionally lifting on it. Well, I think the tagline for the channel says it best.
Yeah, that's nice.
That latch installed super simply, just had to drill the hole and then get it installed there with a couple of bolts. Took a little bit of adjusting, had to take it in and out a couple times to make sure I had the right amount of pull on that spring. You want to have it tight enough so it pulls the bed floor tightly, and you want to make sure that it's not too tight to bind up that spring. Like I said, took a couple shots, but now that I have it in, it should be good to go. If you guys didn't check out all the videos up to this point on the bed floor build, definitely go check those out now. Check out everything else on the Rebuild Everything playlist, on the H8RDCPTR playlist. I'll have links in the description below. Check out my social media. It'll be here on screen. Definitely give me a like, a comment, or a subscription. Use the hashtag RebuildEverything on all your posts on social media so I can see those posts, give you guys a shout out or whatever. Again, if there's anything you want to see or if you have questions on anything that's happened so far on the rebuild of the C10, definitely let me know. Either shoot me a message, hit me up on social media, or drop it in the comments below. So I think that's a good place to stop. As always, guys, there's a lot more coming. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time, guys.